My name is Bonnie Vesey, and I live in Vail, Colorado, in the United States. I've been traveling since my 20s, and it's always been such a fulfilling experience, meeting so many incredible people from around the world. Great experience. Well, this is the third time that I've gone to Maximo Nivel. Second time in Antigua, and last fall I went to Maximo Nivel in Cusco, Peru, which was wonderful. Even though I've been to Cusco so many times, Maximo just added a new experience to my life. Okay, I love taking classes at Maximo Nivel because there's so many more activities. Like, I love their cooking classes, the tour, the photo workshop. I love my teacher, Araceli. I met her a year and a half ago here, and she was one of the reasons I wanted to come back to Maximo Nivel in Guatemala. Adios!